Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on your Wise app. So here, if you want to see your phone number, you need to click on your profile on the top right and then click on settings. Here when you scroll down, you will see two-step verification and here you will see your entered number. So if you want to change your phone number, all you need to do is go to this link wise.com/login/change phone number/enter email. And here you need to enter your email address with which you created your Wise account. And after that, the Wise team will send you an email to your email address, and when you click on that email, you will be able to change your phone number. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next one.